In this video, we'll show you how to replace the hood hinge on your Ford F-150. This is located in the engine bay and attached to the hood. Let's get started. With the hood supported, we can go ahead and remove the strut from the hood hinge. We have a small shim on the back of the upper portion of the strut. Use a small flathead screwdriver or a pick. Just pop that out. We can pop the strut off. Now we have 4 10mm bolts holding the hood hinge on, 2 up here and 2 down bottom. And we can remove the hood hinge. To install the hood hinge, we need to slide the back portion underneath our windshield shroud. Line up our bolt holes. We'll get all of our bolts started in, and then we can tighten everything down together. As we tighten these down, you want to try to line up the bracket in the same position as where it came off. Now we can torque these to 22 foot-pounds. Now we can go ahead and pop the strut on. Make sure the strut's all the way set down onto the ball, and we can reinstall our shim. Make sure that won't pop back off, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.